Hi, it's Ray Singletary with Conscious School Leadership, where we're here to support you with the tools necessary to be the best school leader possible. Today, we're going to continue our journey to making 2019-2020 the most amazing school year ever. And we're going to continue our focus this week on goal setting. Now, we've already talked about what are your goals, and we talked about why those goals are important. But now we're going to really get into how you can start the process of identifying those goals. So today's tip is about making a list. Now, I know some people might say, oh, that's simple. Or you might say, I don't want to write down the things that I have to do. But I'm going to tell you why it's important for you and vital for you to write these things down. So when I think of lists and I think of my responsibility, I kind of categorize it into three things. I think about the things I want to do. Then I think about the things I have to do based on my job and my responsibilities. And then I think of things that I get asked to do. So I want to brainstorm. I want you to take some time and brainstorm all those things that you do in your role right now in education. In whatever school and whatever division you're in, brainstorm that. Just take some time, take an hour, sit down, write down everything that you have to do, and then categorize it into what you want to do, things that you must do or have to do because they're part of your job responsibility, and then things you get asked to do. So once you sort them all out, it'll help you to kind of realize what are the things that I want to prioritize and focus on this year to make 2019-2020 an amazing school year. So that's my tip. So I want you to consider sitting down, making a list, put it into three categories: what you want to do, what you have to do, and what you get asked to do. And then just brainstorm all that. Spend some time just brainstorming. Because I think if you do that, you're going to make 2019-2020 amazing for yourself. So again, if you have any other tips or have any thoughts about lists and how you go about that process, please share them. I would love to hear from you and your thoughts about it, because this is about a conversation. And at Conscious School Leadership, we're here to support you in becoming the best school leader possible, because your school, your community, and you deserve it. So I thank you for your time, and I will see you again next time.